And again, so this is my second piece on the grey series I'm doing. So I got pillow already. I'm using 2, 3, 4, 5 and actually I am going to use 5 colors, yeah. And I'm using first time this Payne's grey. It's Pebeo brand, it's opaque. So I'm just crossing my finger it works. Normally opaque normally works. I never tried Pebeo before, so it'll be interesting to see how it goes. So got my pillow here, spread it all over, and I'm using my green. It's Arteza. All the product details will be in the description box. So I'm just doing on a crossway. Yeah. Just a little bit more. The next one I am using this beautiful taffy TLP. As usual, I just wet with binder gel gloss, Pebeo brand transparent, and then added my pouring medium. I love the blue, so it's kind of I'll keep using the more different shades of blue. Alright, so next one, Galaxy TLP, which I used in my last one as well. When you mix the TLP, just do it day before, because you lose all the bubbles. If you do the same time as you're pouring, you will end up with lots of bubbles. They need to rest for a bit, and you will have a nice silky TLP without any bubbles. Alright, so 3 done, I think. Yeah, I think the 4 is enough. So this is Iridescent red blue Pebeo brand, one of my favorite. I love all the Pebeo Iridescent. They are beautiful colors. So I'm just going like this. Just a little bit more here. So that's done, and now, so as I'm doing swipes, I'll be using this one to swipe as my swiping tool. So this one is going in the middle now, my cell activator. So a little bit more in the middle here, some there. Right, now I'm trying to swipe, so got my swiping tool. I need to get my paper out. So yeah, it's this bit. So a little bit. Side. Now in the middle, I'm just going to give a little blow there. So, I'll just wait a little bit and then start spinning and see how it goes. Lovely lacing here. There you can see this bit coming along, so it does work. That's Galaxy. It's spinning time now. So, okay, just got out. Just a tilt. Just go this way first. So that's it. This is how it looks. I'm going to leave it now and let it dry. And then once it's done, I'm not going to embellish this one. This one is going to stay as it is, but I'll put the resin along with others. So thank you for watching, guys, and I see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye.